After the December 10th, 2021 DJI Mavic 3 firmware updates of the controller, the drone, and the DJI Fly app, I noticed a strange behavior that I haven't seen before. Going backwards with my drone, full right stick back, I should be maintaining elevation. I am not touching the left stick. So in this video, I'm going to show you a bunch of clips that illustrate how my DJI Mavic 3 is going up and down on its own without stick input. On December 10th, 2021, I launched the DJI Fly app and found there was a new version available for my DJI Mavic 3 drone, so I went ahead and downloaded the software for the drone, the RC remote controller, and the DJI Fly app. I am using the RC N1 remote control to control this drone. So here are the different versions that the different devices and applications were at the time of the creation of this video. Some welcome news for Android users is finally in the DJI Fly app version 1.5.4, you have the advanced section present where you can control the sensitivity of your sticks, also referred to as EXP settings. You can control them separately for Cine, normal, and sport mode. After updating the RC N1 remote control, the DJI Mavic 3 drone, and the DJI Fly app, I headed out in my 2019 Dodge Challenger to go capture some videos, and this is what I observed. 25.9 feet, 125 feet out, taking the right stick and going straight back. And as I go back, the drone is elevating. Straight forward. The drone does not elevate. Stick mode is mode 2. Going backward should be going backward, not ascending. 12.5 feet, going straight backwards with the right stick. So it is snowing during all of these clips. We are having issues where the drone is detecting objects nearby, but we're at an elevation where there are no objects. And also we have that vision system unavailable indication appearing occasionally. Hit record on the remote here so I can get you some video straight from the drone. And again, right stick straight back, starting out at 11.2 feet. Left stick not touching it. That's kind of like a weird, like I'm holding the stick straight back. There's like a little bit of a weird dip that occurred. Straight on the right stick. 33 feet. Actually, now we're elevating as well with the right stick moving, just slightly. It is climbing. Not to the degree as going backwards is. All right, so now we're at 45 feet going straight back. We've already doubled our height without me inputting anything on the left stick. So left stick down. So left stick is working normally. Left stick up. That's working normally. All right, now I'm concerned again because, like, look at this. 78 feet, I am moving full forward on the right stick. And we're elevating. Now it's holding steady at 113 feet, 110 feet. Now we're going down. So this is, again, not touching the left stick. I'm just doing the right stick only. And the drone is getting lower and lower. Let's go in cine mode. 11 minutes of flight time. Recording. We're at 39 feet. We're going straight forward on the right stick. So now we are holding our elevation in cine mode. And let's try sport mode. So sport mode, straight back. Now this is interesting. In sport mode, we are maintaining 39 feet without any issue. Sport mode forward, we are maintaining our elevation. Normal mode, right stick, full back, 39 feet. And our elevation is increasing. Let's move left and see what happens. So we're starting at 58 feet, moving the right stick full left. We should hold elevation and just be going sideways. So moving left, we are also increasing elevation. All right, so we're at 87 feet. We're going to go right stick full right. We should be maintaining 87 feet. So moving full right, we do maintain 87 feet. Let's go full left again. Full left, we are maintaining 88 feet. So it just seems to be intermittent, but definitely going backwards here again. Elevation is occurring. Now we're going down. Yeah, I don't know. Pretty sketchy. Coming in for landing. So after landing, I moved to a different location over land rather than over water and recreated some of the tests that I had done, and I was not seeing the elevation issue. Here I'm flying backwards in normal mode with obstacle avoidance enabled, and the drone is holding its elevation pretty much at 85, 86 feet, so there's no issue at this location. And then I moved to this location, so we're back over open water, and in the course of the video that I created flying down this river, I did not see any change of elevation. So I'm not sure why this location and the prior location, the drone did not exhibit any issue, but in the location over the lake, it did, and it consistently, every time I went backwards, dramatically decided it wanted to increase its elevation, and then randomly, sometimes going left, right, or forward, it would also increase the elevation without any input on the left stick. So that's my experience on day one after the December 10th, 2021 firmware release. My DJI Mavic 3 drone, now at the one location anyway, was exhibiting a symptom where it would just want to increase its altitude for no apparent reason without any stick input. I would expect that to never really happen. It wasn't that an issue where there was gusty winds. It was a very light, gentle snow out there. It was having issues with its vision system. I did have obstacle avoidance enabled, and it was in bypass mode, but if it was obstacle avoidance and being in bypass mode, one would expect it to meander to the left, meander to the right, rather than just mainly wanting to elevate and then occasionally sometimes wanting to decrease its altitude. So I'm not really sure what the issue is. To play it safe, I went ahead and used the DJI Assistant 2 app to update the Mavic 3 firmware again to the same version, just in case something was messed up in the settings. I went ahead and did an IMU calibration of the drone on a flat surface. I calibrated the gimbal on a flat surface and calibrated the RC remote sticks as well. So I'm curious if you've seen this issue after updating your firmware on the DJI Mavic 3, or maybe you were seeing this issue even before this firmware release. Is your issue intermittent? And if you had it, what ended up resolving this issue for you? Thanks for watching the video. I'll keep you up to date in the future of what happens with this drone the next time I fly it. I plan to fly it this weekend after that fresh snow that fell overnight. And we're going to see, did this issue persist even after doing the steps that I just mentioned? And then if it does, how am I going to resolve it? I don't know. Give me an idea down below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day flying your DJI Mavic 3 drone.